Two standout AI tools, one creative battlefield. Jasper AI versus Leonardo AI. Which one truly delivers? On the left, Jasper AI, the powerhouse for writers and content creators. And on the right, Leonardo AI, the innovative platform for next-level image generation. Let's skip the hype and get down to what actually matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see a clear head-to-head winner. The final verdict just might surprise you. All right. Here's a quick mind map of the categories I'll be comparing Jasper AI and Leonardo AI on. We're looking at writing capabilities, image generation quality, pricing, community and features, and, target audience. I just want you to get that big picture vibe before we start breaking each one down. So first up, let's talk about writing capabilities. Jasper AI is kind of the star in this department. I mean, it's got sophisticated writing tools, SEO optimization support, all the stuff that makes content creators' lives easier. Now, it doesn't really do much with images, but that's not what it's built for, right? Moving on to Leonardo AI. Honestly, text-based stuff is not its playground. If you just need to write, Leonardo isn't going to wow you. Winner in this round, Jasper AI, hands down. Next, image generation. Jasper AI can handle basic image creation from text, which is fun, but let's be real, it's nowhere near as customizable or as mind-blowing as what Leonardo AI does. Leonardo's advanced image generation is such a game changer. You've got diverse styles, you can create human-centric images, which, seriously, are so hard to get right, and the options, wild. The only catch is, sometimes abstract stuff isn't its strong suit. But yeah, this round clearly goes to Leonardo AI. All right, moving on to pricing. Jasper AI gives you a trial, but be ready to whip out that credit card, which, not my favorite move. Their plans are honestly a bit pricier too. Leonardo AI, though, starts strong with a free trial and, get this, no credit card needed. Plus, you get daily free credits, and their paid plans kick off at $10, which feels way more reasonable. The catch? You gotta navigate their token system, which can get a little confusing, not gonna lie. But overall, Leonardo takes the win for price. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that both Jasper AI and Leonardo AI are literally helping creators reimagine digital content these days? Whether you're a writer or a designer, the AI revolution is legit happening in 2025. And now, let's check out community and features. Jasper AI does have a strong user base, sure, but when it comes to actually engaging with others or collaborating, it kind of falls short. Leonardo, on the other hand, has a really lively community, plus this cool remix feature so you can actually work together on stuff. And advanced models, like Phoenix, those are wild, honestly. There's no mobile app support, but still, the features tip the scale toward Leonardo. Last up, target audience. Jasper is perfect for content writers, bloggers, and those SEO specialists. If that's your thing, you'll love it. But fair warning, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're new. Leonardo is more geared toward commercial image generation and is pretty accessible for fresh beginners, even if you don't have a ton of tech experience. On the flip side, its complexity might be a hurdle for non-techie folks. Here, honestly, I'd say it's a tie. So when you stack these two side by side, Jasper shines hard in the writing department, but Leonardo totally blows it out of the water in image creation, pricing, and those extra features. The radar chart just makes it super obvious where each excels. If you're serious about writing in SEO, Jasper is the way to go. But if visuals are your thing, and you want those crazy good AI-generated images, Leonardo is where you need to be. Stick with what matters most to your workflow, honestly. Ready to level up your creativity? Check out Jasper AI for your writing grind, or Leonardo AI if you want to create standout images. Dive in and see what AI can bring to your content today.